Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Honda Accord faster. First, consider your budget and desired performance gains. Research reputable aftermarket parts that are compatible with your specific Accord model. Prioritize safety and reliability alongside speed. Always consult a professional mechanic for complex installations or if you are unsure about any modification. This ensures proper function and avoids potential damage to your vehicle. To boost engine performance, a cold air intake is a great starting point, allowing your engine to breathe easier and gain a few horsepower. Next, a performance exhaust system can reduce back pressure, further improving power and giving your Accord a sportier sound. For more significant gains, an ECU tune can remap your engine's computer, optimizing fuel delivery and ignition timing for increased output. These modifications work together to unlock more power from your engine. Enhancing your Accord's handling is crucial for translating power into usable speed. Coilovers allow you to fine-tune your ride height and damping, significantly improving cornering stability. Stiffer sway bars will minimize body roll, keeping your car flatter through turns. Don't forget about your tires. High-performance summer tires offer superior grip, which is essential for both acceleration and braking. These changes make your Accord feel much more responsive. Reducing weight is a cost-effective way to make your Accord faster. Start by removing any unnecessary items from your trunk and cabin. For more significant reductions, consider lightweight wheels, which decrease unsprung mass and improve acceleration and handling. Every pound saved contributes to a better power-to-weight ratio. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These combined efforts will make a noticeable difference in your Accord's overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.